What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, I'm here in Dollar Tree and I just found some really cute socks. The super cute Peanuts no-show socks. They are so cute. We have a couple different varieties. Let me hang this one back up. We also have this one. And we have this Warner Brothers one. I'm pretty sure there's a lot more varieties than that, but that's all that's left in my store. We also have more new items from Copperfit. This week we have the new youth size face protector by Copperfit. It has UPF 30, it's washable, anti-odor, breathable, youth size in pink. One size fits most. We also have the blue. They're recommending that these are for ages 8 and up. Also this week, we have 10 packs of printed disposable face masks. We have the red and black, the all black, polka dots, gray and black. Let's see, we have this camo, we have animal print, we have a solid red, we have a solid blue. Did I show you guys the solid black yet? The solid black. We have the American flag. Again, these are 10 to a bag. Also this week, we have the Schmidt's Cedarwood and Juniper plant-based body wash made with organic argan oil, sea-based antioxidants and aminos. This is a 16-ounce bottle. Here's a little more info on the back. These go for about $10 each elsewhere. Another really great deal that we have, and they're still in stock, the 8-count nose strips. These are the charcoal nose strips. We have a lot of name brand makeup this week. These go for about $5 elsewhere. This is the huge Wet n Wild contouring palette. I'm gonna take you guys to the makeup aisle because we have a lot of name brand items to look at. Now my store doesn't have many, but I've been seeing a lot of people on TikTok share tons and tons of new hair items from Sophie, a lot of hair clips, really cute stuff. But that's all I have in my store. Okay, are you guys ready? Things that I featured in my live were the Precision Nail Repair Glue, brand new. We have 3 varieties of Mega Cushion. One is a yellow neutralizer, and these go for about $5 or $6 elsewhere. This one's for dark circles. Oops. And then we have this one that brightens dullness. I think I want to try a couple of these. Yeah, I want to try a couple of these for dark circles. Why not? There's a whole lot of the purple ones. Just want to make sure, I don't know, I think this one's maybe been opened. Maybe I should just get the one. Yeah, I'll just get the one. And then we also have a brand new lip shimmer by Wet n Wild. We also have lots of new nails this week. Watermelon slices, this one, and this one. And then we have a lot of new lashes by LA Colors, the Lash Trios. We have 999, 997, and 998. It doesn't come with glue, but we have glue right here. I don't want to forget anything. We still have tons of the liquid cat suits and the Mega Last cat suits. I already showed you this, the big contouring palette. And then I think this Rosewater and Aloe Facial Mist is new this week by Bolero, I think. My store also has the watermelon and sweet mint wipes. The packaging is so cute. Let's see what we have over here. Sometimes we have brand new toothpastes. I love this one, Crest Pro Health. It tastes so good. I love it. This is a bigger box than usual. That's 2.8 ounces. You get a bonus 2 times free. We have the Ultra White. We have the 3D White. Crest, Colgate, AIM, Ultra Bright. What else? They're dupe to a sensitive toothpaste. My husband tried it and he really didn't like it. Any other brands? Aquafresh, Close Up, if I didn't say it already. We have a kids Colgate, sugar-free, paraben-free, no artificial preservatives. Pepsodent. Nasal strips for sensitive skin. It says it opens your nasal passages and relieves congestion. And it also reduces snoring. Has anyone tried those? Has anyone's partner or significant other tried those? Let me know in the comments how they work. We have the little cloth sachet ice packs. I have one from Five Below. It's sort of a green and pink vintage print, and they really packaged it as being a cute little vintage print, and I really, really like it. I don't store it in the refrigerator, but you just twist this off and you put ice cubes in it, and it doesn't leak. It's really, really good. I don't know about that one, but I really like the philosophy of it. You just add your ice cubes and it's perfect. If I have to stir it, it's homemade. Kitchen, always open, self-serve. Would eat here again, 5 stars. Sunny side up. The yarn's still here, and I feel like we have some new colors. We have fall items starting to come in, you guys. Fall picks and fall garlands and some little felt items. Our succulents are back in stock, and they are really nice. If you guys are looking for an affordable living succulent, I was just in Trader Joe's earlier today, and they had some really cute succulents for about $3. And they were really, really cute and nice. Right upon walking in, it's a little display on the left. And I'm guessing that's gonna be the same in every store for the week. But okay, you guys, I'm gonna start another video. So definitely get ready to watch more. Come back tomorrow for my very next video. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so cute. Come back tomorrow for my very next video. I will be sharing a lot more cuteness here in Dollar Tree. But all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.